again there is this another step in this process of selection or selection process, which is called as employment interviews, right? Now in that particular employment interviews also, there are so many different types. That means there are so many different types of employment interviews that the organizations use or organizations can use. Now we will be looking at what are the different types of employment interviews that organizations use or basically organizations can use. Okay, now before directly entering into that particular topic, let me give you an important input or an important point that you have to keep in your mind. Now we are moving to this particular topic of different kinds of employment interviews, where I will be telling that okay, an employment interview can be of different types. So I will be telling you like some 6 or 7 different types, telling that okay, if this happens, that means this is this kind of interview. If this particular thing happens in an interview, or if an interview is based on these particular things, then it is called as this interview. If the interview is based on these particular things, or if these things happen in an interview, then it is called as this kind of interview. So basically I will be telling that okay, they are like 6 to 7 different kinds of employment interviews, and based on the different things, or based on the different things the interview is based on, or based on the different things that happens in the particular interview session, an interview can be any one of these. Now let me tell you that, see, one particular interview can be any one of all the different types of interview that we are going to discuss, or a single interview can take the form of each and every kind of interview, or each and every type of interview that we are going to discuss. See, for example, I will be telling that there is this interview which is called as a structured interview, in which structured questions happen, or basically structured questions are answered asked. Okay, now I will also be telling that there is this another kind of interview or another type of interview, which is an unstructured interview, where the questions asked to the basically the interviewee, the interviewer asks questions, right? Those particular questions are unstructured. So this kind of interview where unstructured questions are asked is called as an unstructured interview. Now I will also be telling that there is this interview where behavioral questions are asked, which is called as a behavioral interview. I will be telling that there is this particular kind of interview where situational questions are asked, which is called as a situational interview. Now, one particular interview can either be a structured interview, or a behavioral interview, or a situational interview. In this way, one particular interview can be any one of the different types of interviews. Similarly or simultaneously, in one particular interview, I can first ask you behavioral questions, then situational questions, then structured questions, then unstructured questions. So basically there will be situations, or there are scenarios where one particular interview can be all the all can basically cover up, one particular interview can cover up each and every type of interviews. That you have to keep that in mind. So you have to remove the thought in your mind telling that one particular interview will be only one, or basically will belong to only one type of interviews that we are going to discuss. But basically what the reality is, in organizations, the interviews conducted can take the shape or take the form of any type of interviews, or all the types of interviews at once. Okay, that is a basic thing that you have to remember. Hope you understood whatever I told you. Don't get confused. If you get confused, please ask in the comment box. Now let's look at this topic, different types of employment interviews. So the different types of employee interviews. The first kind of employee interviews is the non-directive interview. Okay. Now what do you mean by a non-directive interview? See, basically a non-directive interview is where all the questions asked, or basically the interview environment is non-directive. That means all the questions that are asked are basically non-directive. That means they are not structured. That means there are no definite answers. That means the employer or the interviewer doesn't have a set of expected answers to those questions. For example, if I ask you a question telling that what is 2 into 2, now I will be having an expected answer that I am expecting from you. Now if I ask you questions telling that what are some of the happiest moments in your life, what are some of the saddest moments in your life, what are some of the greatest decisions that you have taken in your life, now I do not have any particular kind of expected answers for that. Now that is an open ended question, open minded question. There may be so many different answers that an interviewee can give to the interviewer to these different kinds of questions. So basically an interview which is based on non-directive kind of questions, or basically non-directive environment, is generally termed as a non-directive interview. Okay, now an interview in which the applicant is allowed the maximum amount of freedom in determining the course of the discussion, while the interviewer carefully refrains from influencing the applicant's remarks. For example, broad questions like tell me more about your experience in your job interview and all these things. So this is basically a non-directive interview. Now a particular interview in any organization can be only a non-directive interview. That means each and every question asked in the entire interview can be non-directive, or it can be any other kind of interview, or it can also be all the different, or basically it can cover all the different types of interviews. Okay, now moving on to the second type of employment interview in organizations. The second kind of employment interviews that organizations can use are the structured interviews. See, an interview in which a set of standard questions having an established set of answers is used. This generally happens when the interviewer asks you certain things for which expected answers, or basically a certain answers are expected. For example, if I ask you 2 into 2, or basically I ask you some theoretical questions telling that what do you mean by selection, or what is the definition of selection, what is the definition of recruitment, what is the definition of placement. For these kind of questions, I have a set of expected answers. That means I expect certain kind of answers, right? So these are basically structured interviews where each and everything in the interview that is happening is in a structured way. Okay, now you also have a situational interview. That means an interview in which an applicant is given a hypothetical situation or a hypothetical incident and asked how he or she would respond to it. In situational interview, I will be giving you a hypothetical situation. Keep this in mind. For example, I may give you a question telling that what if suddenly a fire breaks out in the organization? What will you basically do? In this way, this kind of interview basically is generally called as a situational interview, where all the questions are basically based on, or partially the questions are basically based on certain situation, hypothetical situations, and the interviewer is trying to find out what would you do in that particular created hypothetical situation. Now you'll also be having another type of employment interview which is called the behavioral description interview, where an interview in which the applicant is asked questions about what he or she actually did in a given situation. Now see, the previous kind of interview was a situational interview where a hypothetical situation was given to you. Now this behavioral description interview is basically an interview where the interviewer generally asks you about a particular incident, or a particular behavior, or a particular basically a situation which already happened, and he will ask you how did you behave in that situation, or how did you respond in that particular situation. Now this particular employer is trying to find out your behavioral patterns through these kind of questions or these kind of interviews. For example, I may ask you telling that when was the last time, or basically what in your life made you the most angriest person, or basically name any situation in your life where you felt very angry. Now you will be naming a situation telling that okay, in this particular situation I was very angry, I have never been that angry in my entire life. Now I'll also be asking, then what did you do in that particular situation? Now, based on your answer, I will be having a particular idea, telling that how will you, or how had you basically reacted in a particular kind of situation. That in this way, the employer will try to find out, behavioral patterns in these kind of interviews, which is the behavioral description interview. Okay, this is also one kind of employment interview. Now, you'll also be having a panel interview. Panel interview, we all know, an interview in which a board of interviewers questions and observes a single candidate. That means, for example, you will be having a panel of interviewers around you, and you'll be sitting in the middle. This generally happens. Okay. Now, each and everyone will be asking you random questions simultaneously. Okay. Now, you'll also be having another kind of interview which is called a sequential interview, where a format in which the candidate is interviewed by multiple people, one on one right after another. How this particular sequential interview is different from the previous one, the panel interview. See, in the panel interview, when you enter the interview room, you'll be having a panel of members, and you'll be sitting, and each of them will be asking you questions randomly simultaneously. That means in a single session there will be so many different interviewers, and you will be the interviewee, where all of them, or simultaneously or randomly, basically they will be throwing questions at you. That is basically a panel interview where a panel is present. Now the next thing is the sequential interview, where here also you will be interviewed by multiple people, but here the major difference between this particular sequential interview and the previous panel interview is, here also you will be interviewed with multiple people, but not in a single session. Okay, now here you will be interviewed with multiple people one on one after the another. That means basically 10 different interviewers will be sitting in 10 different rooms, and once you finish your interview in the room 1, they'll ask you to move to room 2. Once you finish your interview in the room 2 also, then they'll ask you to move to the interview in the room number 3. Now, once you finish your particular interview in room 3, they'll again ask you to move to room 4, room 5, room 6, room 7. In this way, one after the other, one-on-one interview is basically called as a sequential interview. Okay. Now, you will also be having something called as a video interview, which we all know. So basically, these are the different types of employment interviews in organizations. And let me tell you again, one particular interview can take the form of, any one of these particular types of interviews. For example, an interview between you and your employer can be a non-directive interview, or a structured interview, or a situational interview, or a behavioral description interview in this way. Or the interview between you and your employer can be non-directive interview in the first 5 minutes, and after the first 5 minutes it can be a structured interview, and 5 minutes after that it can be a situational interview, and 5 minutes after that it can be a behavioral description interview. In this way, a single interview session can cover each and every types of this, different types of interviews, employment interviews. So this is the topic of employment interviews.